This company started with snow and ended up building private jets.
In 1937, a Canadian inventor built a machine that could move across snow.
That invention grew into a company known for snowmobiles. Then, in the 1970s, they made a bold move into trains.
But everything changed in 1986 when they bought an aircraft company called Canadair.
They began building aircraft, expanding into global aviation.
Today, they built some of the world's most advanced private jets. That company is Bombardier, founded by Joseph-Armand Bombardier. From snow to the sky.